Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the essentials and starting assembly now. Start with a camera body that matches your budget and a lens that gives the field of view you need. Attach that lens so the mount clicks. Once done, clip an on-camera mic into the hot shoe and plug it in, then insert a charged battery and format an SD card inside the menu so your card is camera ready. Make sure the mount is secure before you move to settings. Once the rig is assembled, configure the core settings to control look and reliability. Set resolution and frame rate first, 4K or 1080p, then choose 24, 30, or 60 FPS for motion. Next, set shutter speed to roughly double your FPS and pick an ISO near the camera's base to reduce noise. Make sure stabilization is on if you need it, then set white balance manually or use a preset for consistent color. Finally, set manual audio levels so you're not clipping. To finish, compose and test. Frame your subject, choose autofocus or manual focus with focus peaking for accuracy, then adjust lights so highlights aren't blown. Record a short test clip, then play it back and listen with headphones while watching the waveform and histogram. That confirms exposure and audio health. Once satisfied, copy files to a drive for backup. If audio is distorted, immediately check mic connection, reduce gain, confirm phantom power if required, and add wind protection to fix the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.